Hello everyone, welcome to Money Market Astro. So today we'll analyze the Bitcoin, its monthly astrological trend for January 2022. So let's look at the monthly solar return chart for Bitcoin for January. And it starts on January 4th until February 3rd. Now, month lord is Venus, which is lord of second house and ninth house, sitting in the fifth house. So triangle lord and second lord sitting in the fifth house is usually considered good, but unfortunately Venus is retrograde. So that may not give expected result. Ascendant is Virgo. Ascendant lord again sitting in the sixth house. Sixth house is a thick house. It's not considered good. Now, looking at the sun, it's a lord of 12th house. So again, that is not a good house for sun. And sitting in the, even though it's a triangle, it is sitting in the enemy sign, Capricorn. So that makes sun very weak in this chart. So there is kind of like another negative point. Moon is also sitting in fifth house, triangle house, being the lord of 11th, sitting in fifth house. Is good, but unfortunately moon degree it's very high. That makes it a little bit weak. It's 29 degrees. Though it will not be able to deliver a positive result. So even though it is positive, but it's very weak. And again, it's also sitting in the Capricorn. That is another negative point. Now Mars, again in the fourth house, is not considered good, but it's again it's a center house. It's sitting in friendly sign, Sagittarius, along with K2. And again, this one. This will like Mars and K2 combination can make things a little bit volatile during that dashas. So it can go either way. Now Jupiter, again it looks like it's a lord of two central houses and sitting in its own sign. At first glance, it may look positive, but being lord of two Kendras creates Kendra Adhipati dosa. That is not a positive thing. It can make Jupiter very weak, and specifically, it is sitting in the seventh house in its own sign. That makes it more like mark a lot, and that is again negative. So Jupiter here again will not give positive results. Now looking at the Saturn, it seems Saturn sitting in its Mul Trikona house in the sixth Mul Trikona sign, Aquarius, and the sixth house, and also being the lord of fifth house. So it's very positive for Saturn. The sixth house is very positive for 3, 6, 10, 11 good for Saturn. So it's very strong and it can give positive result during this dasa. So looking at overall, only positive things we see is Saturn, a little bit Moon, and maybe in the Rahu, the sun, but Rahu again is kind of a very low degree, less than 1 degree, and K2. So they are also not that powerful to deliver any result. So during the start and end of the month, they are going to be negative, and middle of the month, during the Saturn and Mercury dasa, it could be a little bit positive. So at the end, it seems that monthly trend overall will be flat with a little bit negative bias. And that is my analysis for the Bitcoin for the January. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, share it and subscribe, and have a very safe and happy investing. Thank you, everyone.